Hi, this is Dave Hoskins. We're going to talk about bankruptcy today, and we're going to talk about Chapter 13 bankruptcy. What is Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Well, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a payment plan. It's a payment plan that we use to gain that fresh start in bankruptcy. Fresh start means getting caught up on your bills, okay? And we do that through a payment plan. Now, the first element in a Chapter 13 payment plan is probably going to be attorney's fees. You're going to pay your attorney something up front, but most of what your attorney earns through your bankruptcy and for helping you with the bankruptcy is going to be paid through your bankruptcy plan payments to the trustee. Also, if you're behind on child support or spousal support, the amount that you're behind is going to become part of your bankruptcy plan, part of your payments to the bankruptcy trustee. If you owe taxes at the time that you file your bankruptcy, you have to pay those. You have to pay them 100% through your plan payments. If you're behind on your mortgage, you've got to behind on your car payments, and you want to keep that car, you want to keep the house, then you have to get caught up. And so the amount that you're behind becomes part of your plan payments to the bankruptcy trustee. And then finally, you're going to pay something in your bankruptcy plan to your unsecured creditors. Credit card creditors, medical bill creditors, the student loan creditors are all going to get a piece of your plan payments to the extent that you can afford to. Okay? You can't afford to pay all of your debt, okay? But how much can you afford to pay? Well, that's going to go in your bankruptcy plan. Now, you have secured creditors. A secured creditor is a creditor who has a claim to some collateral, some property that you own. Best example is your home. Okay? That mortgage lender is a secured creditor, and he has a claim to your home. And so in your bankruptcy plan, you have to make a declaration. Are you going to keep your home? Also the car. The car lender is a secured creditor. Are you going to keep your car? Because if so, then you're going to have to be making regular payments directly to that creditor, and it'll be provided in your bankruptcy plan. So you're going to make payments on the amount that you're behind through your bankruptcy plan payments, but for payments coming due after you file, those payments are going to go directly to the creditor. How long is the plan? The plan can be anywhere from 3 years to 5 years. And if you have disposable income, more income than is needed for your regular living expenses, then you're going to be required to be in a 5-year Chapter 13 plan, making payments for 5 years. Okay, now your plan, if your plan is successful, then you can get a discharge of the balance of unsecured debt, any debt that was not paid, through your bankruptcy plan. And success means that you've made all your payments to the trustee, you've made all the payments for the collateral that you have kept, you've made all payments for past due child support, spousal support. Then you get a discharge of the balance of any unsecured credit card debt, medical debt. You can't get a discharge of the student debt. Okay, so what is Chapter 13? It's a payment plan where you're going to make payments to the trustee to cover attorney's fees, to cover child support and spousal support arrearages, to cover any taxes that you owe, to cover the amount that you're behind on your home mortgage, on your car payment, and then something for your unsecured creditors. And payments are going to be made to secured creditors for your ongoing payments, and then for the collateral that's kept. And payments are going to be made for 3 to 5 years, and after all required payments are made, you're going to get a discharge of the unpaid balance of any unsecured debt except student loans. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you very much. See you another day.